Welcome back. This is Patty Robertson again with PMI Virginia. Today we're out at 613 West Ocean View. This is in the Willoughby section of Ocean View, Norfolk. And if you could see through these trees, you guys, I can see the water. Water's right there. It's so pretty. We have an adorable little balcony area here. This is Unit 2, and it is gorgeous. I'll show you the inside. Walk inside. We have fresh paint and carpet in the living area. Ceramic tile in the foyer. This is beautiful. Have ceramic tile in the kitchen. Built-in microwave. New countertop. And that's a mirror over the sink just to bring the light in, because we do have the mirror right back here, or the window, sorry. And then we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. We have a closet here on the right, a coat closet and a linen closet. Very pretty bathroom. New vanity, new fixtures. It's a real cast iron tub. We do have central air. Nice large closets. Let me show you the closet. A lot of storage in this. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 has 2 closets. Two closets in here. They're both large. And show the outside again. This is up 1 story. No chance of flooding because we're up a level. And there's the beach. You can see the beach on the front. This is Ocean View Avenue. And you can see Willoughby Bay there in the back. And this is 613 West Ocean View, Unit 2. This is Patty Robertson with PMI Virginia. You can find out more about this property and all the others we have available on our website at PMIVirginia.com. And as always, you can call our leasing hotline to schedule a showing at 757-773-RENT. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.